Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mexican lollipops. We'll start by gathering all the necessary items, then move on to cooking the candy base. Next, you'll learn how to form the lollipops and add their signature spicy coating. This guide will help you create a fun, flavorful treat that's perfect for any occasion, bringing a taste of Mexico right to your kitchen. To begin, you'll need a few key ingredients for the lollipop base: granulated sugar, water, and light corn syrup. For that distinctive Mexican flavor, make sure to have chili powder, citric acid, and a pinch of fine salt ready for the coating. Don't forget your lollipop sticks and either candy molds or a sheet of parchment paper for shaping. Now let's make the candy base. In a saucepan, combine your sugar, water, and corn syrup. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves, then stop stirring. Continue cooking until it reaches the hard crack stage, which is about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour the hot liquid into your prepared molds, then quickly insert the lollipop sticks. Once your lollipops have completely cooled and hardened, it's time for the exciting part: the coating. In a shallow dish, combine your chili powder, citric acid, and a pinch of salt. Lightly moisten the surface of each lollipop with a tiny bit of water. Then, roll each one thoroughly in the spicy mixture until it's evenly coated. Enjoy your homemade Mexican lollipops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.